Hey everyone, welcome back to another great episode of Sell This Flipping Cars. I'm Zachary, and in today's episode, we're tackling the 2014 Ford Explorer battery replacement. If your Ford Explorer has been giving you slow starts or a flashing battery warning light, do not worry. I'm going to show you how to get it swapped out step by step. So let's jump in, everyone. Welcome back, everyone. Before we start, turn the vehicle off, pull the keys out, and set your parking brake. Remember, safety comes first when you're working around car batteries. First, let's locate the battery. The battery for the 2014 Ford Explorer is right under the hood, right here on the driver's side. You'll see it held in with a battery hold-down bracket. What type of battery does the 2014 Ford Explorer use? For the 2014 Ford Explorer battery replacement, you'll need a group size 65 battery, which is the standard fit for this model. Always double check with your parts store or your owner's manual to confirm, but group 65 is what most Ford Explorers of this year use. Tools needed to complete this battery replacement is just a 10mm socket or wrench. I use the wrench. That's it. Super simple. First, I'm going to start out by taking the bolts loose and off on that battery hold down bracket. Using the 10mm wrench or socket to loosen them up, then you can take them off by hand. Now that we have the bracket free, we can start on the battery cables. Let's go ahead and start by removing the negative cable first. That's the black one. Loosen the 10mm nut. Slide the clamp off. Set it aside so it won't touch the terminal. Then remove the positive cable one. That's the red one. With the bracket off and the cables off, the battery is now free. We can carefully lift it out. Watch out, it's a little heavy, so use both hands. By the way, the main cause of battery failure in the 2014 Ford Explorer, and really most vehicles, is sulfation. That's from short trips and parasitic drains, which prevent the battery from fully charging. Combine that with extreme heat and cold, and the battery's life is going to get cut short. That's why most car batteries last about 3 to 5 years. If you buy it from Walmart, it will last 1 to 1.5 years. And now we can go ahead and put our new battery in. Carefully lower it in, making sure that none of the cables are in the way and nothing is kinking up. You're not stuck on the J bolts, which are your support bolts for the battery bracket. You make sure everything is just back the way it was and not kinked up. This time we're going to go ahead and hook up the positive cable first, the red one. Tighten it down and then attach the negative cable, the black cable. Make sure both are snug and do not over tighten them. Now that we have our battery cables on, we can go ahead and take our 10mm wrench or socket and tighten the battery hold down bracket back into position and ready to rock and roll to get us back on the road. After you have your battery hold down bracket in position and tightened down, hop inside, turn the key, and your Ford Explorer should fire right up like new. That's a successful 2014 Ford Explorer battery replacement, and that's it. You just saved yourself a trip to the shop and at least $50 to $100 in labor. If this guide helped you, make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash the like button for even more DIY auto repair tips right here on the channel. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep on wrenching.